Hi, I'm Poppy.
I'm Emily.
I'm Holly. I'm Dakota.
I'm Chloe.
I'm Kayla.
And this is Cardiopulmonary Bypass. Cardiopulmonary Bypass means it's a machine that they use to circulate blood outside of the heart for surgeries. So this is a 3D model of it. So from the patient, they take deoxygenated blood out of the vena cava into a reservoir. In the reservoir, they then cool the blood to put the body into hypothermia to prevent tissue damage, and they also filter the blood to prevent any clots. They then pass it through a pump into an oxygenator. This is where they add oxygen to the blood cells, and they also filter it to prevent any air bubbles in the blood. They then pass this now oxygenated blood back into their aorta.
The social impacts of cardiopulmonary bypass include cardiac surgeons can perform more intrusive surgeries, so surgeries that wouldn't be possible before without the machine are now able to be performed, which allows people to live their lives better free from disease and injury. There can be a side effect of using this machine called pump heart, and it means that the person who has been on the machine during the surgery might not feel like themselves for the next couple of months, but it is curable.
So started off when a man, he was doing cardiac surgery and the patient died, and so he and his wife started working together to try and find a way to do cardiac surgery without the person dying or being injured. And so many different scientists, as well as him, and his name's John Gibbon, they've all tested on different animals, and eventually they were able to stop the heart for longer and be able to perform the surgery. And today the heart-lung machine is able to do that.
So this is a picture of the model of the cardiopulmonary bypass machine that they use at Royal North Shore Hospital, and this is an actual picture of one of the machines that they use. This is also another diagram of cardiopulmonary bypass. It explains what happens during it. We also have some frequently asked questions. These are just some questions that you might have about cardiopulmonary bypass, and then the answers are on the back.
What is cardiopulmonary bypass? Cardiopulmonary bypass, or more commonly known as CPB, is a type of life support that involves using a machine outside the body to act as the lungs and heart. The cardiopulmonary bypass machine provides a bloodless field for cardiac surgery.